Module 2. Theories and Approaches in International Relations. First, classical theories of international relations, realism, core assumptions. The international system is anarchic, no overarching authority. States are the primary actors. National interest and survival are paramount. Power is the main currency of global politics. Variants of realism, classical realism, Morgenthau. Human nature is selfish and power-driven, neorealism, Waltz. It's not human nature, but the anarchic system that drives state behavior. Defensive realism, states seek security, not unlimited power. Offensive realism, Mearsheimer, states pursue power aggressively to dominate others. Application. Example, Cold War nuclear arms race, U.S. containment policy toward the Soviet Union. Criticism, overly pessimistic, neglects cooperation, ignores the role of international institutions and non-state actors. Liberalism, core assumptions. States are not the only actors. International organizations, NGOs, and corporations matter. Second, critical theories of international relations. Marxism and neo-Marxism focuses on global inequality, class struggle, and economic exploitation. World system is divided into core, developed, and periphery, developing states. Institutions like IMF and World Bank maintain dependency and neocolonialism. Feminist international relations argues traditional IR theories ignore gender. Highlights how global politics affects men and women differently. Examines issues like war, rape, representation in diplomacy, and economic inequality. Postcolonialism focuses on the legacy of colonialism and how it shapes present-day power structures. Critiques Eurocentric assumptions in IR theory. Example, Africa and Asia's marginalization in global governance institutions. Green theory, environmentalism, considers climate change, sustainability, and environmental security. Explores how ecological interdependence forces states to cooperate. Third, approaches to the study of international relations. Historical approach uses diplomatic history, treaties, and wars to interpret IR. Legal approach examines international law and norms governing state behavior. Behavioral approach applies scientific methods, surveys, and quantitative data. Post-positivist approach questions, objectivity, emphasizes discourse and narratives. Fourth, why theories matter in diplomacy. Predictive value helps policymakers anticipate threats or opportunities. Explanatory power explains why wars occur, why alliances form, why cooperation succeeds, fails. Normative guidance provides ethical frameworks for foreign policy. Realism equals survival. Liberalism equals cooperation. Feminism equals equality. Policy tools guides negotiations, peace processes, and global governance strategies. Fifth, application to real-world issues. Russia-Ukraine conflict, realism versus liberalism. Security dilemma versus NATO institutional cooperation. Climate change diplomacy, liberalism and green theory. Global agreements like Paris Accord. China's rise, realism versus constructivism. Power politics versus identity, norm-driven engagement. Middle East conflicts, interplay of realism, security, constructivism, religion, identity, and post-colonialism, legacy of colonial borders.